My name is Autumn Kelsch. I am a pre-med major here at Utah State University, and I'm wanting to attend med school. I love spending time with my dogs, playing with my plants, or just going out and hanging out with my husband. We spend a lot of time outdoors. I have been a teaching assistant for general microbiology for about 3 years, and throughout this, I've kind of noticed that there were some issues with the lab curriculum that I felt could be addressed. So I started a project through URCO funding to create a new lab that is inquiry based for my microbiology students. Throughout the course of the semester, they take a soil sample from their backyard or the place of their choosing, and after diluting it and getting what we call a pure colony, they spend the entire semester determining what that bacteria is. This gives them a little bit of a look into exactly what microbiologists do every single day. Then they submit it through not only antibiotic resistance testing, but through antimicrobial testing to see if they have any properties that allow them to inhibit the growth of other bacteria. The hope with this is that they can find something that we can use in the future to treat illnesses, specifically antibiotic-resistant pathogens, but a new antibiotic in general would be super, super cool. For my results, I have the students put these samples that they get through a research database called Gideon, which will give them the most likely percentage match. As for my samples, I did not get any with antibacterial properties, and there were two of them that I could not identify, three of them that I could not identify through Gideon because they didn't have a high enough percentage match. But my hope was this, is that it'll bring the standard of education higher for all of my microbiology students and for Utah in general. If we can raise the bar and kind of be more in line with recent initiatives, then it can bring our entire teaching system to a higher level. It also allows students to feel a little bit more in tune with their environment. This experience in general has allowed for me to present at national conferences, and it has allowed for me to gain a greater appreciation for not only the medical field that I currently work in and want to go into, but it's given me a sense of purpose, and it's allowed me to feel like I'm contributing something, not only to Utah, not only to the education system, but to myself, and has taught me that I can do really hard things.